Welcome to Tiny Thinkers TV. Today, we are learning numbers on a farm adventure.
So many animals waiting for us. Let's count them together, one by one.
Look, the chickens are here. How many can you see?
1, 2, 3.
Yay! We found 3 chickens! Here come the cows. Let's count them together.
2, 3, 4. That's 4 cows on the farm.
Look at the bouncy sheep. How many do we see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 sheep.
Splish splash! Let's count the ducks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 ducks.
Wow, horses are running fast. Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 horses.
Ha! Look at the pigs having fun. Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pigs.
The goats are climbing high. Let's count them too.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 goats.
The cats are waiting. How many are there?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 10 cats. We counted so many animals today. Let's remember.
3 chickens, 4 cows.
5 sheep, 6 ducks.
7 horses. 8 pigs.
9 goats. And 10 cats.
We counted all the animals, 1 to 10. Let's come back and count again.
Great job counting, Tiny Thinkers. See you on the next adventure.
Like, share, and subscribe.